Hi friends, today I'll be sharing on how to stitch a Jhabla for a newborn baby. I have used mull material here. Try and use the best material for your newborn. Here I have given you the draft for easy access. And now we will see how to fold this before cutting. This is the length. The length is 12 inches. And now I am folding the material here. As mull is a very delicate material, be very careful. One fold and now the second fold. Fine. Now, as I said, the length of the dress is 12 inches. So at 3 inches, we'll make a mark. And now I will 1.5 inch, I will again make a mark to cut the material. Now this is the only cutting you have to do for the dress. Just 1.5 inch cut. This is for our sleeves. That's it. You don't need any stitching knowledge to prepare this. Now here our cutting is done fine. Now we start hemming the sides of the Jhabla. Now this is simple hemming that I am doing. You have to use only single thread. As this is a baby dress, everything should be really light and delicate. See how slowly I am doing my job. Okay. So now here I have stitched both the sides. It's just 0.5 centimeters I have stitched. Now we will do the bottom line. Same, 0.5 centimeter. Again we will do hemming here. Now friends, if you have a machine at home, you can go ahead and use a sewing machine. But do the light, keep the knob at 3. Fine. But for babies, hemming is the best. See how soft and cool. See, we saw the edge now. It should be a neat work. Now we have done the sides and the bottom edge. Now we have to do the top part. Now for the top side, we are going to hem at 1 inch. So we'll mark the 1 inch first. Now to do the hemming for this 1 inch, it's good if you iron it first. See, I folded at 1 inch and then ironed it, so then it is easy to hem it. Fine, do the hemming on this. Again I am hemming the full length of it with a single thread. Okay. This is a Kohinoor mull I have used. You can take any brand mull. It is a baby's first dress. It is for a 1-day-old baby. So the material should be the best. Right? Now here I have taken embroidery thread will require for the sleeves. I will take this color, and here there are 6 strands in one thread, so I will take only 3. Now this is the blanket stitch I will be doing for the baby, for the sleeve. Again, this is a very delicate work. blanket stitches which will keep the edge. We have not stitched the edge, so it will take care of the edge. And you have all learned blanket stitch in school, right? It's very simple. And don't pull at the thread. Keep a very loose and delicate touch. See. There, you can see we have completed the blanket stitch. Our sleeves are ready. Now see the reverse side even. You can just see one knot and the rest it's a neat work. Fine. Our Jhabla is ready. Here I have taken 32 inches string. I have stitched the string here, but you can use a ready-made soft string or a lace, whatever is available at your place, and just get the Jhabla together. This is a free size, so you need not worry about the size of the baby, and this can be used say for a month or so. The baby can use this Jhabla. There, our Jhabla is ready. I have hand stitched one or two of these Jhablas. The rest I have used my machine, sewing machine. So this is how it will look after it's complete. So this is for a newborn baby, and hand stitch is the best. So friends, you don't require a sewing machine, you don't require tailoring knowledge. It is so simple. It's a child's play. Okay? So friends, if you have liked today's Jhabla, please do not forget to press the button like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.